So now we're going to create our first sequence. A sequence is like a scene. So if you have a large project, you'll have many sequences, or maybe it will be just one continuous sequence and a very long timeline. So we need media to create sequences, and we've got two pieces of media in here. We've got our skateboarding footage and we've got the audio track, which we've already brought in. So there's two ways to create a sequence. First of all, you can go through this new item and click here, go sequence, new sequence. When you do this, you have lots of options to set up sequences based on defaults. For instance, like a standard widescreen 48K, you'd be using that as a preset. You can also take sequence settings from cameras that you might be using. HD video, these are common ones that you'll be using. However, the easiest way to create a sequence is to use the footage that you've already got. So the way I like to create sequences is to not go through that new item sequence option, but to simply use the footage that the sequence will be built from, click on the icon and drag and drop it onto that new item button. And when I do this, a sequence will be built over here in the timeline that is a perfect match to the actual frame size of the footage that we've brought in. And you can see it's created a sequence with exactly the same name. So that's a really useful shortcut. Based on one of your media files, drag and drop that file onto the new item button and it will create a sequence using those preferences and settings in the timeline for you.